determine the length of DC. And they should say this is 90, okay? Go ahead and say it was 90. It should be given, right? Otherwise, we don't know the relationship. So if the radius is perpendicular to the chord, what happens? It bisected the chord, so this must be also 6. Okay? Number 4. X has a radius of 13. What's the radius? This is 13. Do you see any other radius on the circle? You see this? That's also 13. Do you guys see it? And ZW is 12. And XV is perpendicular to ZY. These two are perpendicular. So again, you see how the chord is perpendicular to the radius? That means if this is 12, what is this equal to? 12. That's the radius chord theorem. So now determine the XW. How would you find this? What type of triangle do you get? Right triangle, so you can do the Pythagorean theorem, or this one you should also know the ratio. What's the ratio that you could memorize and just use? It's 3, 4, 5, and 5, 12, and 13. You see? 5, 12, and 13. So the answer was 5. If you didn't remember 5, 12, 13, what do? You can do a squared plus 12 squared equals to 13 squared. So a squared equals to, you can subtract 12 squared from both sides. What's 13 squared minus 12 squared? 25. So now you square root it to get a equals to 5.